Punaise. Ah bah là il va me buter hein. Bah là il va me buter hein. Attention le screamer les gars. Yo les gars, c'est Aras, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une nouvelle vidéo sur The Return to Bloody Night, encore une fois. Mais avant que la vidéo commence, n'hésitez pas à liker, commenter, partager et à vous abonner, ça me ferait extrêmement plaisir. Et du coup on va commencer, on va faire le Tuesday, c'est parti.
Hello, William. How are things going with the new restaurant?
Busy, but we're on track for a successful opening tomorrow.
Glad to hear it. And have you taken all the necessary safety measures?
Of course, I don't need anyone telling me how to run my business. And those employees who think otherwise can find work elsewhere.
Understood. And what about your family? How's everyone doing?
Elizabeth has been with me at work for the past few days. But as for Michael and Evan, they've been influenced by their mother's lies. Michael is too busy being a typical rebellious teenager, and Evan is just a young child who doesn't understand the situation. Frankly, I'd rather keep my distance from them for the time being. They're at home at the moment.
I see. Have you tried to have a conversation with your wife about this?
It's not worth the effort. She's always been self-centered, doesn't care about the family's well-being. She's even had the audacity to call me a hypocrite. But let's not focus on that right now. Let's talk about the restaurant, shall we?
Sure, but don't forget about your family. They're important too.
I don't need you to remind me of that. I know it's important. Now, if there's nothing else, I have work to do.
Actually, I just wanted to say that I worry about you. I hope the restaurant's success will make you happy.
Thank you for your concern. I appreciate it, but I have no time for your pity. I'll talk to you soon.
Ok, Tuesday. Bon bah c'est parti hein.
Greetings, Night Guard. Congratulations on making it to Night 4. I must say, I'm impressed with your work so far. You're doing a fine job, and I'm proud of you. My neck. Feels like it's been bitten in half and twisted like a pretzel. I slept like a rock last night, but I woke up feeling like I got hit by a truck. I had this weird dream where I was half robot, half human, and let me tell you, it wasn't pretty. My legs were replaced with rusty old scrap metal, and I was clunking around like some kind of junkyard Frankenstein. Can you imagine me like that? Talk about a nightmare. Anyway, enough about my weird dreams. Now, I must confess, I forgot to mention something earlier. We have some new robot prototypes in the building that we just introduced yesterday. My apologies for not mentioning this earlier, but you handled the situation like a pro, and no damage was done. Kudos to you. Now, those robots are brand spanking new. They haven't even had their first oil change yet. They require some more work before they're ready for prime time. And to be honest, they're giving me the heebie-jeebies, especially that new bunny one. But, on the bright side, that bunny's new hide-and-seek function is going to be a hit with the kids. Just make sure it doesn't start seeking you out, too. But I'm confident you'll handle it. You seem like a tough cookie. Alright, so stick to the standard procedures and keep those robots out. Oh, by the way, I'm glad you participated in this morning's voice recording session for the tapes. You sounded fantastic. Who knows, maybe I'll need you again for any updates. Now, hold on a moment, I'm being interrupted. What's up, Karen?
There's this document that just arrived.
What?
It's better for you to look at it.
A notice document about the closure of all our restaurants due to investigations regarding one of the founders being convicted of a crime.
Yes.
Including Fredbear's family.
Yes.
That's outrageous! Alright, I understand. Now, please return to whatever you are doing. Thanks for bringing the note, Karen. Karen, Karen, Karen. She's always trying to bring down the company. But let me assure you, we have nothing to hide and nothing to fear. Fazbear Entertainment is as clean as a whistle, and that founder is as innocent as a newborn baby. Trust me on this one, kid. I apologize for that interruption. It is unpleasant news, but don't let it get you down. The closure of the restaurants won't mess with your work schedule, so you're good to go. Keep doing what you're doing, and you'll be just fine. Oh yeah, one more thing. If you keep hearing strange noises or distorted voices, it's probably just our new Fredbear roaming around. You know how these things go, always causing trouble. We're working on fixing its music box, which is also supposed to make them talk, but in the meantime, just remember to keep that door shut if it gets too close to your office. Alrighty then, keep up the good work, and I'll get you on the flip side.
Ok, il a enfin raccroché. Ok, là, on peut voir tout de suite que les animatroniques vont très vite là. Et on peut voir aussi qu'il y a le Spring Bonnie cache-cache là. Ok. Donc en fait, dès que le Spring Body cache-cache est très proche de la cam, faut fermer la porte. Parce qu'il court très vite. Et quand il a fini de toquer, faut pas réouvrir tout de suite. Parce que sinon on peut mourir. En vrai, le générateur, on s'en sort plutôt bien. Oh là là, ce qui est chiant, c'est qu'ils arrivent de tous les côtés. Je pense qu'il est à la porte là, donc je vais éviter d'ouvrir. Faudrait qu'il parte vite là. Mais genre très vite. Mais pars! Mais il veut pas partir. Punaise. Ah bah là il va me buter hein. Bah là il va me buter hein. Attention le screamer les gars. Purée. Eh premier screamer qu'on se mange hein. Ok il est 4 h du matin. Allez on peut le faire. Ok. Ok, il est 5 heures. Ils ont toqué en même temps? Wesh, ils sont toqués en même temps. Oh, la dinguerie. Let's go! Eh les gars, j'étais... Eh les amis, j'étais concentré. Eh les amis, j'étais concentré, je parlais même plus là. Let's go. Ah, le Fred d'air bizarre là. Wesh, wesh. Il y a un monstre à l'intérieur de lui. Enfin, il y a une âme. Wesh. Wesh. Wesh, il y avait un mec à la fenêtre. C'était Slenderman ou quoi? Ouh. Eh, on est bientôt à la fin du jeu. Bon les amis, du coup on va s'arrêter ici. Si cette vidéo vous a plu, n'hésitez pas à liker, commenter, partager et à vous abonner. Et on se retrouve la prochaine fois pour la dernière nuit. Et sur ce, ciao.